Nana Tornado a brante ba kwa abusuafo so oba Ghana ha na wohwe kyerese shoes so ye the way on nkrofo ekon ewu social media no so na otimu se ono de oye no nonsense man ni nyina mu an se so woye nipa woye obi woye wan na oba be ka no na wanka ne yi a ode ebe feel so ene ade ebusua uba social media no so abayo ba kon so ne din ede akosua mu goddess na sen de woto etua oh no ma de ne be nyina no de nkrofo nsem ede ba ene ade na nsem mu a ena chwo so de Afia Schwar ba yo de delay de aba ebusiafo ena ekoda ye sori ya nipa ba ko de ne de aba chete Ghana fo e ka ho nsem enye obi asa brand ya ne din ede kin nana tornado kin nana tornado ebusia ye nyina ye nim ne tornado ye ko ene nsem a chete fa tornado na so ebusia according to abayuwa ne din edi akosua mu nkodes no kin nana tornado ebusia nsem no oka bebre edefa ne ho mempese meju mrenti yenko ne yenko ti nsem oka edefa tornado.
Hello Ghana, it's Trmmu Goddess, and I've been called to do a reading for Emil Gerald Wood, Nana Tornado, from the universe. Let's get right into the readings. Show me, Spirit, what messages do you have for Tornado? What? Wow, the Three of Cups. Hey, what is the Three of Cups? The Three of Cups talks about reconciliation, partying, having fun, friends. So this is a situation where you were dealing with friends, you were in a group and you were partying together, being happy together. Clarify the Three of Cups. Clarify the Three of Water. Wow. Hey, your reading is very complicated, though. Clarify the Magician card. So you are using your tools, or you have to do something, and you were acting quickly. There is a situation where you act fast, a situation related to a car, or you were manifesting a car. Clarify the Magician card. Clarify the Magician card. I see stress in a situation. In a situation where you have worked hard. You were working without getting tired because of an aim you had. But something happened for you to withdraw from the situation. So, Spirit, show me more for Nana Tornado, Gerald. Oh, you had to start a new beginning all alone. And I see you trusting in some spirits. You have this trust in some particular spirits. And I see you bowing down to them, respecting them, and doing what they ask of you. Clarify the At0pa. Clarify the At0pa. The Six of Cups. So you may have done this with your friends. You may have there's something that happened in the past with some particular friend group when it comes to spirituality, and now your back is turned towards them. Show me more for the At0pa. Because you acted quickly. Okay, there's a situation where you acted quickly. It has come twice. You may be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. And there was this, and this also still talks about reconciliation because of an act, a quick act. Show me more. Clarify the Six of Earth. You have to change your perspective on a situation here. Okay, you sit like the authority figure as you are. Analyze some things. Okay, there's a situation here. There's a situation where you are very confused and indecisive. You just have to put the swords down, take off the blindfolds, and judge things logically. Clarify the Fool card with the Empress, with the Emperor card and the Two of Swords. The Five of Pentacles. So someone may have left you out when it comes to money. I see money. You were supposed to receive some money, but someone left you out. And this money was something big. Like, this is something that you would have appreciated. Because I see the Ace of Pentacles and the 10. This from 1 and 10. So this is something big that you thought you could have used it for something. So because of that, you are stuck on it. Show me more for the Fool card with the Emperor and the Two of Swords. Yes, so you have to think logically when it comes to this situation. Since you understand spirit, spirit says you understand her and you understand what I'm saying. So put your sword down. Put it down. Look at your work, the work you are doing. Look at your actions. Look at you are doing something which is not right. So look at the actions you are putting into the universe. What is he doing? What is this actions he's putting out into the universe? The Fool card. The King of Cups. Wow. A situation where you haven't still changed your mindset when it comes to this money. It's like you are in wholeheartedly. You intentionally want to you intentionally want to stay stuck in a situation. You intentionally want to stay in it just to cause someone problems, tears, stress, because of a partnership that took place. Show me more for what is he doing? What is he? You have to walk away from this work situation. You have to walk away from it. Even though you put in the work, you did the work. You put in hard work. But let's go so that the universe will bless you. The universe will bless you, protect you, open paths for you when it comes to money, work, and friends. Okay, you have to withdraw from all the quarrels and arguments and everything. For the universe herself to do something, the universe wants to bless you. The universe wants to take some blockages off your life so that the path will be clear when it comes to money and friends. Okay, there's a path that is being blocked. So the